Tower defense, where you never click a tower to shoot. Every tower on the field runs your code over and over, and the script is the whole game. I've chosen Python, but the game can be played with other languages too. 7 waves in the demo tutorial, and each one breaks the code that beat the last. By wave 7 it's flyers and armor together, and the thing that finally got me 3 stars wasn't code at all. Compile and Defend is a new game on Steam. The demo version is out, and the full version should be released this month, July. Right, Compile and Defend. 7 waves, 1 script, and it marks the code itself. Wave 1 hands you the code, loop through everything in range and shoot it. That's the whole script. There's only ever one enemy in front of you, so shooting everything and shooting the right thing come to the same thing. Wave 2, more than one turns up, so now I've got to pick. First job, check the list isn't empty. Reach into an empty list and the whole script falls over, and it's an easy one to forget when nothing's on screen. Then I take the first one in the list and shoot that, square bracket 0. Not the closest, not the weakest, just whoever the game happened to list first. It's rough, but the wave's small enough that it holds. Wave 3 and first in the list stops working. Some of them are nearly out the other end while I'm shooting the one that's only just walked on. So I start with the first one as my target, then walk the whole list. Anything with a smaller distance to exit takes a spot off it. Lowest number wins, whoever's about to escape. That shape comes back later, so it's worth getting right. Wave 4 brings flyers in. Only the Tesla can touch those. One line sorts it. Is this enemy flying, and am I the Tesla? If those two match, it's my problem. Tesla handles the sky, arrows handle the ground. Off one shared script. Wave 5, same trick on a different stat. Armor. The sniper's the one that gets through armor, so is this enemy armored, and am I the sniper? Match, it's mine. There's a catch with filtering though. Once you're only looking at some of the enemies, you can't grab the first in the list anymore, because it might not have made it through the filter. So I use a flag. Found starts false. The first enemy that gets past the filter becomes the target and flips found to true. After that, it's the distance to exit comparison again, same as wave 3. And right at the bottom, only shoot if found is true. No match, no shot. The tower just stands there and waits its turn. Wave 6 and the filter has to come out. It's all swarm here. Nothing flying, nothing armoured. Leave the armour filter in and the sniper matches nothing at all. Stands there the whole wave doing nothing. Took me a while to spot that one, so it goes straight back to wave 3. Everyone shoots whoever's closest to the exit. Then I buy another arrow tower and get it on the path. Wave 7's everything at once. Flyers and armour together. The first line is the one that counts. Skip anything I physically can't shoot. On the ground, fine. In the air, only if I can hit air. That one's a hard wall. If a tower can't reach it, it can't shoot it. Doesn't matter what the code says. After that, it's a ladder. Flying beats ground. Armoured beats unarmoured. And if 2 of them tie on both, closest to the exit wins. I've binned the found flag too. Target starts at 0. 0 means I haven't picked anyone yet. And at the bottom, I only shoot if it isn't still 0. 2 lines gone, same behaviour. And the last bit isn't code at all. I sold an arrow, saved up and bought a Tesla instead. Stuck it further up the path. That's what got the 3rd star. The script was already fine. The Tesla was just in the wrong spot to get them all. 4 things it marks you on. Did you hold the line? How many operations, how many lines, and how fast you did it? 1 script, 7 waves, and it gets meaner every time. Why don't you give the game a try? Compile and Defend demo version on Steam now. Full version to be released this month.